Today we'll solve exercise 7.3 on page number 109. Now look at page number 109. Number 1. In the following numbers, circle the even and tick the odd number. You have to circle the even numbers and tick the odd numbers now. Now, which are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers, and the rest is like 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those are odd numbers now. 0 is an even number, you circle. 9 odd, you tick the odd. 1, 4, 14. Look at this 4. 4 is even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, even. Circle. Now 290, 0 is an even number, circle. Now 147, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 7 is odd number, you tick. Now 635, 5 is an odd number, you tick. Next one, 6752. 2 is an even number, you circle. Next, 9384. 4 is an even number, you circle. 139. 9 is an odd number, you tick. 2340. 0 is an even number, you circle. And 6843. 3 is an odd number, you tick. So in the following numbers, circle the even numbers and tick the odd numbers. Now we will do number 2. Okay, now number 2. Use the divisibility rules wherever you can to solve the questions. You have to use the divisibility rules wherever you can to solve this question. Now A. Is 9 a factor of 504? So in the divisibility test we learned that 9, if the sum is divided by 9, then 9 can divide this number. So this 504 is divisible by 9. So we add 5 plus 0 plus 4. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So 9 can be divided by 9. You know, 9 into 1 is 1. 9. 9 ones are 9. So 9 is a factor of 504. So answer is 9 is a factor of 504. Since 504 can be divided by 9 because its sum can be divided by 9. 5 plus 0 plus 4 here. 5 plus 0 plus 4. Now here. So 5 plus 0 4 is 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. So since 9 can divide 9, so 9 is a factor of 504. Now to make it easy, you can do this way also. If you are finding it difficult to understand, here you can do 9. If you did not understand divisibility test, here 9 will go into 51. 9 5s are 45. 0 minus 10 minus 5, you have to go from 5. 5 becomes 4. Now 10 minus 5, 5. Now bring down this 4, 54. Now 4 minus 4, 0. Now 9 ones are 54. 9, 6 are 54. So 9 can divide 504 exactly. So 9 is a factor of 504. Now B. Is 6 a factor of 237? So in the divisibility test you learn that a number can be divided by 6 if this number can be divided both by 3 and 2. So in the divisibility of 2 we learn that 2 can divide a number if the last number is either last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then 2 can divide this number. But here the last digit is 7. So since 2 cannot divide, so 6 is not a factor of 237. So 6 is not a factor of 237 because this number 237 cannot be divided by 2. Since it cannot be divided by 2, so it is not a factor of 6. Now, so in the divisibility of 6, we know that a number can be divided by 6 if this number is divided both by 2 and 3. So if it cannot divide by 2, and we no need to do about 3, because if this was divided, this number would be divided by 2, we have to find the divisibility of 3 also. Then if this number would be divided by both 2 and 3 only, then 6 would be a factor of 237. Since this number is not divisible by 2, so 6 is not a factor of 237. Now see, is 12 a factor of 240? Now we'll find out by dividing 240 by 12. 12 divide 240. Now there is 2 numbers here, also we take 2 numbers. So 24 is bigger than 12, so 12 can divide 24. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 20, 12 twos are 24, minus 4 minus 4, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. Now bring down this 0. 12 ones are 0, 12 zeros are 0. No remainder. Since 12 can divide 240 exactly, so 12 is a factor of 240. 12 is a factor of 240. 12 is a factor of 240. Now D. Is 35 a factor of 560? This also will divide and find out. 35 divide 560. Now 35 ones are 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3. Now 35 into 2. Okay, 35 into 2. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 3s are 6, 7. 7 0 7. Here is 56. So 35 ones are 35 2s are 70. So less than 56 is 35. 35 what? The 35 will go into 56 one time only. 35. Here 2 numbers. You also have to take 2 numbers. 35 ones are 35. Now subtract. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. Now bring on this 0. Now 210. 35 2s are 70. Now 35 3s are. We will do the multiplication here. Okay. 35 into 3. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9. 1 0 10. Now again this. We have 35 3. Now 35 into 4. 35 into 4. 4 5s are 20, carry 2. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. Now 35 into 5. Into 5. 5 5s are 25, write 2, carry. Write 5, carry 2. 5 and 25, write 5, carry 2. 5 3s are 15, 6, 17. Now 35 into 6. 6 5s are 30, write 0, carry 3. 60s are 18, 19, 20, 21. So 201. So here 201, here also is 201. So 35 will go into 201 how many times? 6 times. 35 6 are 210. Here 210. Okay. 6 5s are 30, carry 3. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. 210. So here also 210 is here. 35 will go into 210 how many times? 6 times. 35 6 are 210. Here 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0. So 35 can divide exactly 560 with no remainder. So 35 is a factor of 560. So we will write here 35 is a factor of 560, since it can divide 560 exactly with no remainder. So 35 is a factor of 560. Now look at E. Is 2 a factor of 63,290? So in the divisibility test of 2 we learned that 2 can divide a number if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2 can divide a number. So since here the last digit is 2, so 2 can divide this number exactly with no remainder. So 2 is a factor of 60,290. So here 2 is a factor of which number? 63,290. So 2 is a factor of 63,290 because the last digit is 0. See, if the last digit is 0, 0, 2 can divide this number exactly with no remainder. Now F. Is 5 a factor of 20,490? Is 5 a factor of 20,490? Now in the divisibility test we learned that 5 can divide a number if the last digit is either 0 or 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, 5 can divide that number. Here the last digit is 0. So since the last digit is 0, 5 can divide this number exactly with no remainder. So here also you can write 5 is a factor of which number is this? 23,490. So I hope you are understanding. By divisibility test we are doing this, okay? Because 2 can divide a number if the last digit is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here the last digit is 0. So 2 can divide this number exactly with no remainder. In the divisibility of 5 we learned that 5 can divide a number if the last digit is either 0 or 5. Here the last digit is 0. Since the last digit is 0, 5 can divide this number exactly with no remainder. Now, is 8 a factor of 53,244? So, to find whether this number is divisible exactly by 8, we have to first divide the last 3 digits by 8. Now, here 2, 4, 4 divided by 8. Now 8 will not take 2 because 2 is smaller than it. We have to take 2 for 24. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Now 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. Now bring down this 4. So 8 will not go in 4. 8 zeros are zeros. 8 zeros are zeros. So remainder is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. Remainder is 4. So 8 cannot divide this 244 exactly. So 8 is not a factor of 8 is not a factor of 53,244 because 8 cannot divide 244 exactly. So since we are getting remainder 4 here, so 8 is not a factor of 50,244. I hope you understood how to find the factors using the divisibility rule wherever you can to solve the questions.